All right, back at it, guys. Repeat customer. Let me turn this around. What's up, guys? So, first job of the day, we got some upholstery, inside carpet. Clean for these people, I don't know, once every 6 months. Good client. Yeah, let's get into it. All right, so, yeah. First thing I do is pull this out, right? This is the UV light. This detects pet urine and stuff like that. This client doesn't have any pets, so, but I figured I'd pull this out. A little tip though, because I had a question about this. If you're illuminating urine with this thing, and you can see it stands out like a sore thumb, and you do your pet treatment on it, and it doesn't eliminate on contact, you know, the illumination's not going anywhere. The stain, from what you can see without this, will still be there. Well, will be gone actually, but not all carpet fibers you can get rid of the illumination. So at least it lets you know where it is, right? So that's what I like about it, and that's what I tell the customers. It lets you know where it is, even if it doesn't go anywhere. Not a lot of nylons and stuff like that, the illumination will stay. And if they treat it with something else, so you can never guarantee that. So just letting your customer know it's very, very important. You never know, they might have had a pet visit or something, right? So that's pretty good. I don't see anything. But as you can tell, it's really worn through here, and it always is. So. All right, so we vacuum everything, right? Get the floor nice and vacuumed. Then we clean everything on top of the carpet itself, right? Because we're going to be cleaning it. It's making no sense to clean the carpet first, then the upholstery. And being we're going to be cleaning the carpet, no need to put down, you know, protection and stuff like that. All right, gonna do some protection now, just for these rooms right here. Van Tool, great sprayer. I recommend it. Yeah, perfect for protection, and I keep it locked and loaded. All right, so upselling, very important in this industry. All right, so now you rake it in. Very easy. All right, all finished up, packed up, ready to get to the next one. So I wish I can go back in time, guys. I mean, 50 years ago when they bought this property, you see how it is. I don't know, it's probably, what, 3 acres here? 4 acres?
4 acres.
They bought it for $10,000. Right now, if somebody were to buy this property in this town, where it's at, this would be $2 million. Between 1.5 and 2. Yeah, crazy, huh? If we could just invent a time machine, we can go back, buy a bunch of land, and then fast forward and be rich. And then the gates open. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I hope you got a little bit out of it. If you did, go ahead and give it a like and comment and subscribe if you haven't yet. By the way, guys, this job took an hour and a half, $600. All right, hour and a half, $600. Your current job, if you're not doing this, you don't have your own business, doing carpet cleaning or whatever, and how much you making in that hour and a half? Okay, so I'm a big entrepreneur driven, and I like to help people start your own business. And if you want to start your own carpet cleaning business, go ahead, there's a link below. You'll get a free carpet cleaning started carpet cleaning guide, right? And if you want to go any further, you know, you can go from there. But yeah, there it is.